Sharon, you are going to teach an online course, okay? I began my undergraduate studies in the late 1980s at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. This is what educational spaces looked like then. Yes, not much had changed since the 1940s. When I started college, this was the president. This is what a computer looked like in the late 1980s. This computer cost $2,900 with a dual floppy, $3,900 with a 20 megabyte hard drive. This is what some of the first camcorders looked like. In 2011, this is what my course looked like. When I taught this online course, this was the president. This was the educational setting for my students. This is where I, their instructor, was located, the east wing of the Golda Meir Library in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is what my computer looked like in 2011. This is the flip video recorder I used in that fully online course. In an online course, the primary mode of communication is often asynchronous and text-based. The lack of physical cues associated with link communication media used in many online environments can lead to misunderstandings and feelings of isolation. Thus, for this project, I created 4 types of videos. 1. A personal introduction. 2. Modular introductions. 3. Video check-ins. And 4. Modular cool tools introductions. The personal introduction was designed to set the tone for the course and to help students connect with me, the instructor.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharon Stoerger and I will be your instructor this semester for SOA 670, Instructional Technologies.
In this course there were 7 modules that were introduced via videos as well. The purpose of these videos was to introduce the readings to the students, highlight key concepts, and present questions for the students to think about as the class moved into the discussions.
Welcome everyone to Module 4, Social Collaboration and Networking. In this module, we will begin investigating the concept, history, and research associated with social network sites. We will also look at specific types of sites that facilitate social collaboration, such as wikis, microblogs, and virtual worlds.
Another type of video created for this course was a video check-in. While the focus of these videos was less on the content of the module, they provided me the opportunity to clarify misunderstandings, address questions that surfaced during the week, and present related materials. Some things to think about include how do the issues and concerns surrounding copyright, fair use, the second digital divide, open software, and sharing influence our selection, application, and use of technologies to promote effective teaching and learning. One of the assignments associated with each module involved a cool tools presentation. For each of the module topics, students were instructed to select a cool tool to virtually present to their peers. These presentations, which investigated the positive, negatives, and pedagogical practices of the selected tools, took place in the course management system discussion forum. Videos created to introduce this portion of the course activities were shorter and more playful than the other types created for this course. On April 12, 2011, Cisco announced that it planned to discontinue the production of the flip camcorder. Because of the ephemeral nature of devices such as the flip, alternative video production options such as Jing and Animoto were investigated. The videos produced using the flip digital camcorder, Jing, and/or Animoto can be easily uploaded to YouTube. This is an example of the YouTube channel for this course. Presence in online learning does not happen automatically. Instead, it is something that is created. Video is a richer medium than text, which gives students the opportunity to see their instructor's body language and hear her tone and humor, which can add authenticity to the material. Technological changes are occurring rapidly. Within the duration of this semester-long study, the flip video camcorder went from hot device to obsolete. Cameras like the flip are inexpensive, so the monetary costs were low. Because the videos were short, the time investment was minimal as well. However, extra time was needed initially to learn how to create the videos and make them accessible to students. While the technology used to create these videos changed during the course of this semester, the intent did not. The focus remained on being there for my students. Thank you. Are there any questions?